Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have some more autumn season nails, and these ones are beginner friendly, so come on in, sit back, relax. Remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. Alright, so I have my long square nail tips here, and I felt like this length is perfect for this nail set that I have in mind. They already have base gel on them, and I'm using the base gel from Beetles because I really love this one for some reason, and I'm also like obsessed with their new packaging. I'm going in with the shade Nude, and I'm doing 2 coats of this shade, and I'm curing in between each coat. I'm so excited right now because not only is this nail set super cute and I can't wait for you to see how I created it, but I have so many designs that I did for fall and Halloween that are already filmed that I can't wait to like release them. Like I have scheduled dates and everything for them to go out because I'm getting back into my consistent posting schedule because I was so inconsistent in the summertime. And this video was filmed in September. Like I ideated everything in September, filmed it all, and so now it just needs to get edited and put out. And now that I have more time to myself and I feel like more of myself because I was in a really weird place before, I can put out more content more consistently. And I also want to hear about any like ideas you guys may have, so please let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see from me, if you want to continue these nail designs or you want me to do reviews or haul videos. Like what type of nail videos do you like or enjoy, and how do you like to enjoy your nail videos? Do you watch to just for entertainment or for educational purposes, or you just like the music? What type of music do you like in the background? Because one thing I've always been trying to figure out is what type of music would my audience like be interested in, because I want to make sure you're enjoying this experience watching these videos just as much as I love creating nails and putting the video content together. But I just want to know like what do you like want to hear? I don't know what I'm trying to ask. I guess like I'm trying to stick to what I love and still make sure my brand and my content is all very much me, but also it's engaging and entertaining. Like, do you like the mixes that I put in the background, or do you like calm lo-fi music? I know a lot of people do that and I love it too, but sometimes my brain is like, I want something to like keep me entertained, something that like doesn't make me go to sleep and I want to like kind of sing or dance to in the background while I'm watching the videos. So let me know, and because I'm just yapping right now. So the first thing I'm doing is airbrushing my nail, and I want to create this brown aura in the center of the middle and thumbnail. And I honestly didn't show the part where I mixed the acetone and the gel polish together because this took me forever to like get it right. Like you can see the brown stains on the paper towel underneath me because I tried like 5 times before I got it right. And so I didn't even film it. I was just trying so hard. I didn't even press record. I use my airbrush on the first setting because I don't want it to blow too harshly, and then I move my airbrush machine forward and back and forward and back so that I'm not letting the air make the gel spread while it's on the nail, because it kind of ruins the whole airbrush look if you do it. It's too much air pushing out and it forces the gel apart. And I do this in layers, so I do about 3 layers until it's pigmented the way I like, and then I cure it in between each layer under my nail lamp for about like 10 seconds to just set that layer, then go back in, flash cure, then go back in again as many times as I need it until it looks pigmented enough. I added base coat over the airbrush and buffed out the nail, which is why it looks like this. And I'm going in with this really deep chocolate brown gel polish, and I'm creating a little border around the nail. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I love doing this. It's so simple and easy. You don't really need to have like the best like stable hands to do this. At least I don't think so. I don't have the most stable hands. I can't even draw a circle, okay? I literally can't. Like I need help to draw certain things that are deemed easy. And so that's why in my head I think this is beginner friendly. this nail is also the same, but it's just a different design. So it's like a semi border, and I start the line in the center as if I would do a French tip, and then I drag the lines out to both ends of the nail and fill it in. And for this pinky nail, I'm just doing a simple French tip. Also, if you notice like the camera looks slightly different halfway through this footage, I did switch cameras in the middle of filming this nail set because I ran out of storage. So that's why.
Come take it to the floor now. One step to the right, we headed to the dive bar. We always go with nice. Run me to the left and spin me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay our cards down, 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 down. So pack your legs up.
I kid you not, as I'm editing this video, I literally broke one of my nails, and I have my natural nails out right now, and I broke one of them in the middle of editing a nail video. It wouldn't be me if I didn't do some ish like that, honestly, but anyways, I am taking my IBD Builder Gel and my medium length nail art brush and just doing some 3D art, and this is like the most easy, simplest one you can do. It was the first design that I ever did when I started getting into 3D art, and I just like to dip my brush into there a few times and swivel it around until I get a good sized bead, like a small bead, onto the brush, and then I just drag it down and swivel it around. The design really doesn't matter, but this is my first ever like style that I did when I first learned how to do this. I flash cure for about 10 seconds in between each one that I do because the builder gel is a bit loose, so it will start dripping down the nail and falling apart before I can finish it. So for me, this is about speed but also precision because you want it to look nice, so it can be a little difficult. It has a slight learning curve to it, but it's still beginner friendly in the design itself.
Real life boogie and a real life hold down. Don't be a come take it to the flow now. You wake up, house up, round in it, flossing on it. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say I look so good tonight.
So now I'm doing the chrome on the nail, and initially this was supposed to be a border, and if you saw the thumbnail, it's very much not a simple border around the nail, and I did exactly that. I swear I did the black gel polish that I'm doing now with my liner gel, and I did a border around. I didn't want it to be perfectly straight, I just wanted to have, you know, some like uniqueness to it, so to speak. And then I did chrome and it looked ugly. It looked so ugly. It was so plain. And you can't really make chrome plain, but it just looked odd. And so this is my most unique nail out of the set because of what it turned out to be.
H-Town vicious, H-Town vicious. I'm so proud, bow down, bitch.
Coming down. I'm coming down, dripping kitty on the ground.
Mama taught me cussing on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like it, up like it, up like it, up like it. Bow down.
I cured the black gel polish for 60 oh my god, my voice, I'm sorry. I cured it on for 60 seconds and then I rubbed the chrome all over it so that it could stick. I used like a cosmetic wedge to get the excess polish off, which is why the base has to be nude. I could have done a better job at making the base like not nude, oh my gosh, no. Making the base matte. I could have done a better job at making sure it was completely matte because there was some gold chrome that stuck to the nude, and then that's when I got the idea to add some more chrome, which is what I did. Now, for some strange reason, I did not record the application of the chrome when I did it the second time, but it's the same as what I had just shown you, so literally the same exact technique. And after I applied that, I'm now going in with my gems. So I use rhinestone glue to glue these down, and I always use the same exact glue. This is from Macart. And all I have to do is just apply a little bit to the center of each nail, stick my gem on top, and I flash cure with my flash cure lamp. Alright, so my nail design is finished and I put them all together on my little nail stand, and you can see how cute they look. And yes, I know the index finger is very different from the rest, but that was technically on purpose by accident. I'm going in with the NotPolish top coat, and this is my new favorite one. I'm sorry, I know I was like talking up the Koopa brand one, and it's my second favorite now, but this one really got it. There's something about this polish, like it's just so good. Like the finish is nice, and I love a no wipe top coat, so it's gonna eat every single time. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved how these nails came out. And if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.